Charles here, and I did a video yesterday where I hit Group 8, and now you see I'm in Group 7 because I think I had like only 5,000 over, but when you're in Group 8, it takes 21,500 bonus ad points. So I wanted to show you this video that even though I'm in Group 7, because when the ads were served, I will get paid for Group 8. As you can see, for Group 7, you get paid 0.32.5. Now, this is the pay for Group 8, which is 53 cent 535, which is for Group 8. So that's something I don't know if you're new or if you've been here. And when you go into the next group, like your first couple days in that group, you're gonna go up and down, but you're gonna still get paid for whatever group you was in for the day before. So it's like if you was in Group 12 or Group 10 or whatever, you will get paid. If you was like, say you was in Group 10 the day before, but you dropped down to Group 9, you're gonna get paid for Group 10 that next day because you was calculated into that group. So it's just that you're gonna go up and down until you grow your account to the point where it stays in group, whatever group you're in. So probably after maybe a couple days, I'll stay in Group 8. But I'm gonna do a video each day to show you what I'm talking about. But I'm in Group 8, but it's just excuse me, where that I'm gonna be going back and forth in group up and down. I'll be in Group 8 the day before, then I'll be in Group 7. Then I'll go up again, then I'll drop back down again. But it's just because when you go to that next group, most of the time you want to add a little bit funds if you can. You want to add a little bit extra funds so you can go over that threshold. Maybe since it's 21,000, you will want to add what is it, maybe 5, 6, maybe an extra $6. That way you'll be at 30,000 and you'll just stay in that group. But you have to know, you just want to be over that limit. But what I had added an extra 25 so it would bump me up to Group 8. But it didn't bump me up to Group 8. The video I did yesterday, that was the video that bumped me to Group 8. So, but I was like 400, no, maybe 545 bonus ad points short. It wasn't that much. So, but now I'm in Group 8, and the goal with this is to get to Group 12. And like, I'm gonna add funds when I can, or I was trying to do it weekly, but I have other stuff going on. So like now I just wait till I'm close to getting to the next level, and then I'll add the difference, and so I can hit the next level. That's been working out pretty good for me. I just been 100% repurchasing, and then when I get close enough, I just go ahead and top it up. But it's been going strong, and the admin she's always on her stuff. Only problem I see is when people deposit and they're not putting the right transaction number in, because when I do my deposits, usually after I go find my transaction ID and I put it in, maybe like maybe like 5 minutes later, it's in my account. So I don't know what it's just where the people are. They're so anxious instead of just taking their time and doing it right the first time, so you don't have to keep going back and doing the same thing over and over again. Just take your time and do it right. But my goal is to get to Group 12, which you can withdraw like you can withdraw like $150 a day. But I'll be doing withdrawals once a week. I won't be doing them daily. But it depends. But most of the time I'll be trying to do it like once a week. And then I'll be putting those funds into something else that I'm in. And my computer is slow. You have to forgive me. Computer is slow. When you record, it seems like everything slows down. I think I might have to add some more bandwidth, so when I do videos, that the internet it'll be faster while I'm doing videos too. Cause usually these ads go by quick, but when you're recording, it seems like it slows down. But it's a pretty good company, and it's been around for 6 months. And I started out with $5, and I worked it in the beginning. I think I would make it like 32 cents. So like every three and a half days, I was buying one ad pack, because at first I didn't have a source of where I could put Bitcoin into this. But now I use Cash App to deposit my Bitcoin, because Coinbase they changed up, because they don't deal with make money online now. So if you try to add something to something like this, they block your account or shut your account down, so you can't send or receive. So I found out that I had Cash App, and then I found out that you could buy and sell and send Bitcoin. So I tried it, and that's what I've been using to send my Bitcoin, is Cash App. And the fees are really low. So that's another good thing, because the fees aren't expensive. So that's good. And then like I just joined a company called Cloud Token. It's like an app where you can store your cryptocurrency. And like I'm earning their coin, which is the Cloud Token. So that's what I'm building this. And I'm doing that because I put 25 in here, I put 25 in there, and every chance I get, if it's 20 here, 20 there, I'm gonna try to add. And with Cloud Token, I'm trying to add at least 500 in there, 500 or 600, and like you get rewards every day and you don't have to log in or none of that. All right, that's done. Let's see what we got in. We got I don't even remember what was what. But I think we earning we must be earning about 10, a little over 10 something, $10. So really you could kind of save some money now. Yeah, you could do you could start building some funds here. Either I could buy 10, or I could just or I could do 8, which is 24, but you're going to keep going up and down, up and down. But you want to yeah, you could do 8 and you'll be over the threshold, and you could start saving a little bit profit out of here. You can start leaving a little something in your cash wallet, but I don't know what they got. People hacking people account, just trying to hack people account. So, but that's basically. Well, I guess I'll go ahead and buy the ad packs. I'll buy. I'm gonna buy 8. Yeah, I'll buy 8. Cause what this does, it'll take it'll take two from the it'll take the two from the cash wallet, and it'll take the rest from. I mean, it'll not say the cash wallet. I mean from the repurchase. See, and it leaves $2 in cash, and it put me at 744. And if I buy two more, it'll put me at 750. And then I'll stay. I should let me get my calculator out real quick. I'm gonna see something. Give me a second. I'm gonna do it on my phone real quick, and we're gonna see. Cause I haven't added the other 250 for the 5 bonus ads, but I'm gonna just do it with this and see if I stay in no. So I'll drop down again unless I do. No, yeah, I'm gonna still drop down. So I'm still gonna drop down. All right, plus 250 is I have tomorrow. I have 722,975 after the deduction, but I'll still earn. That's why I say it's gonna take a couple days. Because even if I add the 6,000, I'm still gonna be under. Still gonna be under the threshold. So it probably won't really. I probably won't stay in Group 8 until after, I say maybe like 4 or 5 days. But that's it for the video. I'll do another video tomorrow, and I do have one active referral, but I'm not depending on referral. I haven't even really shared the link. I had a link in the description of this video, but I'm not really, I'm really trying to show people you can really do this on your own, because I know a lot of people don't know how to recruit. So I'm really going to show them you could do this without any help. You could do this on your own, by your own funds. But that's it for the video. Like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.